Hey people, this here, from what I've been told, is a gumball machine lock. Now, if you look in the top of some of your local gumball machines, it seems feasible, but it's from the Jiffy Incorporated, blah blah blah, something New Jersey. It's patented. Jiffy. Never heard of them myself, but it does work with the key. Normally I'd put this type of lock in a vise, but and there you have it. Free gumballs. Yeah, just kidding. Anyway. Now, I'm not positive this is from a gumball machine, but that's what I was told. At any rate, peace. Don't break the law.